Some say that whiteboards always get dirty, that stains are inevitable, that old smudges are just a part of life. At Quartet, we disagree. Introducing the new Fusion Nano-Clean whiteboard. Protected by advanced Nano-Clean technology, these boards stop ink from staining or ghosting and keep the board looking like new time after time. Using nanotechnology, Quartet has engineered the optimal surface chemistry. Comprised of particles that are 1/10 the size of an ink particle, the coating allows ink to stick without staining or ghosting. The Fusion Nano-Clean whiteboard holds up even in the toughest environments, including classrooms, meeting rooms, and more. They're so tough, they come with a 25-year warranty. And with 4 different sizes and 2 frame colors, you're sure to find the perfect board for your space. A bold, modern design with advanced technology. The Fusion Nano-Clean whiteboard from Quartet. Great ideas start here.